Hi my dear children, how are you? Hope you are happy, you are healthy and you are fine. So this is my prayer, you will always happy. So my dear children, today I am in front of you with a new letter and its sound. So I am going to introduce you a new letter and character. So this is very innocent character, right? So see, do you want to see? Before looking that, go and subscribe my channel. My channel name is Teacher Nadia's Pre-Primary Phonics School and I am your teacher, Teacher Nadia Javed. And my dear students, now I am going to introduce you a new letterland character. Who is that? So see, it's a very innocent character. Yes, it is Innocent Impy Ink. It is Innocent Impy Ink, my God, and its sound is I. Its sound is I. So let's sing a poem with me. Impy Ink says I in words, I in words, I in words. Impy Ink says I in words, it belongs to Mr. I. Yes, his name is Impy Ink and it is very innocent. See, it is very innocent. You will inside draw a line in the Impy Ink, add a dot here and that's final. That's I sound. So it has another poem. Indians itching, I. You know what is itching? Yes, when you feel very hot, then you feel itching also. Indians itching, I. Yes, Indian starts from I sound and itching is also with I sound. And this is Impy Ink. Huh? It's Innocent Impy Ink. It's beautiful, right? So today we are going to learn a sound I. See, you will draw a line inside Impy Ink, put Impy dot here and then it's final I sound. So who use Impy Ink? Iram uses Impy Ink. Iram uses Impy Ink to write, right? So what Impy Ink and Iram like? Impy Ink and Iram likes ice cream. Wow! Ice cream. So there are two ice creams. There are two ice creams, one for Iram and one for Impy Ink. So they both like ice creams, right? So today, my dear children, you learn about I, letter I, and its sound is I. And my dear children, you learn a poem of letterland character Impy Ink, and you learn so many words with I sound, ice cream, and her name is Iram, right? So now I will tell you how you have to write I sound. My dear children, you will write I sound not on the first line, not on the last line. You will start from the second line and you will write on the middle two lines I sound. You will start from here, you will draw a line and make a little loop here. Make a little loop here and put Impy dot. Impy dot. So it's I sound. What is the action of this sound? I. What is the action of this sound? I. Very nice. You got it. So my dear children, again you can see, start from the second line and touch the third line, make a small loop and put impy dot on the E sound. So it's your E sound. Its name is, letter line character name is Impy Ink, and I called I called him Innocent Impy Ink, right? It's a innocent Impy Ink. See, so innocent. So Iram is the friend of Impy Ink, and what they like? They like ice cream. What they like? Iram and Impy Ink like ice cream. So my dear children, hope you like this video, and kindly subscribe my videos, like my channel, and like my videos and subscribe my channel, my dear children. So watch my all videos lesson by lesson and learn more about phonics. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye bye.